Bonjour! So today's home workout is in France, in Morzine. And what I've got for you today is a 7-minute total body workout. I'm going to be doing it with you in real time. You don't need any equipment. You can do it anywhere, even on the top of a French mountain. So if you're ready, I'm ready to start training you. If you haven't already done a warm-up, hit pause, march on the spot for 20 seconds. And when you're ready, I'm ready to meet you over there. So here's a preview of the first move. We're going to start with doing straight leg kicks. We're going to do this for a duration of 30 seconds. We've got 7 moves today, each one for 30 seconds. And at the bottom, you can see that bar. We're going to use that as our timer to then let us know how far we are through the workout. So for this first move, just keep that upper body nice and straight. You're just doing those straight leg kicks. You can see that timer. The benefit with this move is it works your upper body, it works your lower body. It's also really good for your core as well. So here's a quick preview of the next move. We're going to do a lateral side lunge. So we're going to go 3, take it 2 and 1. So let's just get ready, take it to one side, come back to the center and then over. Just keep going from one side to the other. So this one here is really good to now work your inner and outer thighs. And again, this one, we're just doing 30 seconds. So this is move 2 out of 7 moves. All right, that's good. So that nice lateral lunge, just feel that working. And you can see now the next move, we do 4 punches and then 4 knee lifts on there. All right, so let's get ready for move number 3 and just go for those 4 punches and then draw that knee up for 4 and just keep alternating from one to the other. So this move is actually really good for your abdominals. So when you're doing those punches, really punch from one side to the other, keep those tummy muscles pulled in tight as you draw that knee up. So this is really good at strengthening through the core. All right, that's good. So you can see the next move you're going to be doing is a pull back, step back lunge. So what I want you to do is just come into a wide stance for me and we're just going to get ready, step that foot back. So as you can see, we're not having any breaks. This 7-minute workout, we are just going totally from one move to another. So we're making it a really effective, light cardio workout. All right, that's good. So just keeping that going, doing really well. You've got those last 10 seconds coming up from now, and then we'll just have a look at the next move. So the next one, we're going to do a basic squat, then we're going to come up to a kick, alternating from one leg to the other. So let's just get ready, come into position and take that to that squat, and now give me that kick. So it's that squat to then kick. All right, that's good. So just keeping that going, nice control. So again here, it is a total body workout. This one here is really good for working obviously your lower body. Also, as we add that kick, that's really good for them working through your core, working through those abs. So your next move, we're going to be going straight into a skater's lunge. So let's go 3, take that 2 and 1. So what we're going to do is, so you just step that leg behind, and what's really important is you bring the opposite arm across. So this one here is really lovely at shaping the waist, really sculpting through the lower body, through the hips. That's good, just keeping that going. And this is move 6, then we've just got one more, and then we're on round 2. All right, so let's just keep that going. So the next move is similar to this, but all we're doing with this one is a lateral hop. You're just going to hop from one side to the other. So let's get ready and go 3, 2 and 1. So hop it one side to the other. So we're now nearly halfway through this workout, and how it's going to work for round 2, we're simply repeating those 7 moves again, just for a duration of 30 seconds. All right, that's good. It's just keeping that going from one side to the other. Land softly. If you want to make it a bit harder, then you can make that jump from one side to the other, make it a little bit deeper, stay in a lower squat and take it wider. 2 and 1. All right, well done. So what we're going to do now, we're going to repeat that all again, round 2, and we'll start off with those straight leg kicks. So let's go for 30 seconds. So you'll be familiar with all these moves. So what we've done today is we've worked near enough every single muscle through your body. We're working your body in the 3 different planes of motion as well. So this is a really nice workout if you want a bit more energy, if you just want to do a little bit of cardio but you don't want a really intense workout. This is still really effective. So you can see there, your next move, we're just going to go to those side lateral lunges, 2 and 1. So let's just get ready and let's just take that over to the side and come back. So this one here, really amazing to work those inner and outer thighs. Also really good for your flexibility as well. And all these exercises help with what we call motor skills as well as coordination. And you can see on that bar there, we're really flying through this workout. All right, that's good. And we've just got last 7 seconds. And you can see that next move, we're back to doing those punches and knee lifts. This one's really good for working your core and your abs. So let's get ready and let's go for doing those 4 punches. So punch for 4. And then let's draw that knee up and draw the arms down at the same time. And really with this one, focus on where you're working. Really think about feeling that. Really engage those core muscles. So keep your belly button pulled in really tight to your spine as you're doing this. All right, that's good. And just punch from one side to the other, keeping that going. And then you can see there in the corner, the next move, we're doing that pull back lunge, 2 and 1. All right, so let's just get ready into position, wide stance, and step that foot back and just draw in those arms. That's good. So these quick 7-minute workouts, I've got so many of these on my YouTube channel and they're just really handy. And of course you can just do 1 7-minute workout a day, or you might want to do 1 in the morning, 1 at lunchtime, 1 in the evening, or you might want to do a couple and turn it into a 14-minute workout. It's all about making it work for you, what suits you. And let's go 3, take it 2 and 1. So your next move, let's go back to doing that squat and we're going to go for doing that leg kick. And why these 7-minute workouts of mine work is what I do is I specifically choose you moves that are called a multi-compound and multi-directional. So it means here, for example, on this exercise, you are working so many muscles. This is why these short workouts are effective, because we're not just isolating one muscle group, we're working multiple muscle groups. All right, that's good. Let's just keep that going and let's go last 3, take it 2 and 1. So we're going to get ready back to that skater's lunge. So remember with this one, it's that foot comes across and behind, and also with that arm, you're reaching it over. So you're doing that little rotation, that twist. That's where we're then really working through your waist. We're also shaping and sculpting through the lower body. We're working through the hips everywhere. This one is one of my personal favorite moves because it targets everything. And you can see that timer bar at the end. We're nearly finished. That's good. And let's go 3, take it 2 and 1. And we're going to get ready for that final move today. So we're just going to go for those hops, sort out your bobble hat, and then off we go. So with this, make sure as well, so you're just doing that lateral jump from one side to the other. If you want to make it a little bit harder, as I said, take it into a deeper, lower squat, and you can step that out wider. All right, that's good. And this is a really fun workout you could do first thing in the morning. Also, it's a nice one at the end of the day if you've had a bit of a stressful day, if you're feeling a bit tired and you simply want to move your body. 3, 2 and 1. And well done. That is your workout complete. There is your high five. I mean, a seriously high five, because we are really high here. So well done with today's workout. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you love the scenery, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, definitely hit subscribe. What I would say is, at the end of this video, click in the link, come and do my cool down stretch. And well done for today's workout. And I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow. And one other thing, au revoir.